Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Wi-Fi adapter is missing on your Windows 10. So how to fix in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and fix for other software. So let's start the video. The first method is if your Wi-Fi adapter is missing on your network connection window, so how to fix it? Open your Windows Explorer and click here this PC, and after that click here, right click on it and click here manage option, and after that guys click here device manager option. So click here network adapter, and you can see here no Wi-Fi adapter are showing here. So click here action and click here scan for hardware changes option. Okay, click on it, and you can see here Wi-Fi adapter are showing here. Okay, if this option is not displayed under action, click here this icon. Okay, you can see here your adapter are showing here now, and your Wi-Fi also connected. So guys, if this problem is not fixed here, you install Wi-Fi driver on your Windows 10. If your Wi-Fi driver are missing on your Windows 10, then you can see here you will face this problem. Okay, install your Wi-Fi driver. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.